Hi, welcome to Nomis Academy. In this video, we're going to consider basic geometric theorems. First and foremost, let's define the term geometry. Geometry is a branch of mathematics that deals with the study of shapes, the plane shape and the solid shape, while theorems are general conclusions in mathematics which have been rigorously proven to be true. Okay, with the full knowledge of mathematical theorems, one should be able to solve problems under geometry. So we are going to be looking at some of those elementary theorems and starting from angle. So we'll start from here. In this video, I'm going to explain most of the mathematical theorems under geometry. So just stay tuned as we proceed. First and foremost, what is angle? Angle is formed where two lines meet at a point. So the first angle here is called an acute angle, while the other one is called a reflex angle. Alright, so let's pick the basic theorems under angles, the basic theorems that will enable us to solve problems under geometry. The first one is a right angle. Okay, sum of angles in a right angle is 90 degrees. So what we mean is something like this. This is what we call a right angle. So when we have different angles formed in a right angle, those angles are said to be or are said to sum up to 90 degrees. So what this means is that A plus B plus C is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, let's pick the second one. 2, the straight line angle. The straight line angle. Okay, it states that sum of angles in a straight line is 180 degrees. So what it means is when you have a straight line and then there are multiple angles at that point, let's call this angle A, this is angle B, this is angle C, and this is angle D. This angle at this point, called the point O, sum up to 180 degrees. So we have A plus B plus C plus D equal to 180 degrees. Okay, the next one, number 3, angles at a point. Angles at a point. So angles at a point sum up to 360 degrees. Sum up to 360 degrees. Okay, so we have this as the explanation. We have angles at the point. This is the point. So we have angle A, angle B, angle C, and angle D. Now we have A plus B plus C plus D to equal 360 degrees. So if you understand these basic theorems under geometry, you should be able to solve problems. Okay, so let's pick the first example. Example 1. Find a value of x in the figure. So we have the figure to be this. Here we call it x, and here is 2x, here is 3x. So for us to find the value of x in this question, we apply the theorem of a straight line, which says that all the angles on a straight line sum up to 180 degrees. So we have x plus 2x plus 3x sum up to 180 degrees. So when you add this up, x plus 2x, 3x plus 3x, 6x equal to 180 degrees. Now divide both sides by 6, and then x is equal to 30 degrees. So the value of x at this point is 30 degrees. So let's pick one more example. Example 2. Find the value of x in the figure. So when you have a figure, a shape like this, we call this 65 degrees and this x. So this symbol tells you that the angle at that point is a right angle, which is angle of 90 degrees. So the two angles sum up to 90 degrees. So we have x plus 65 degrees equal to 90 degrees. So when you take x and the value to the other side, let's clean this side to finish up the solution. So we have x equal to 90 degrees minus this to the other side minus 65 degrees. X is equal to 25 degrees. Okay, so that is the value of x in the question. Alright, thank you for watching. Please stay tuned. In the coming video, the future videos to come, I'm going to explain several theorems under geometry. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.